sustainability is a word which is very broad. I want to bring it down to real actions. And that's why I would like to discuss with you.
We had the opportunity to say we have these ideas to make a more sustainable world, to make an impact.
The aspects of sustainability, they should be self-explanatory at some point.
For me, it's like a discipline that we have to apply to any sort of activity that we do.
There is a lack of awareness. TUM would be a hub to give the potential ideas to the world.
Really fascinating to see the young students, how passionate they are about the future, the visions they have.
I feel that we have been heard, and also the reflections that we had with our students were pretty much aligned with what's on the table of the president at the moment.
It's not something somebody will come and do in future, it is us.